Are you looking for ways to kind of make sure your stainless steel looks really nice without using abrasive cleaner so that you're not harming it? These wipes are amazing. So here's a stainless steel trash bin that we have. And you can see the top of it is really dirty. So using these wipes, they look just like, you know, what you think of a Clorox. You just pull them out. They're inside. They keep them closed. Come in and just wipe it off. Get through. See, I'm going to show you how beautiful this will look in just 1 second here. I get all of the dirt off because you know those little fingerprints that always are on top of it as people use it. So now look at how shiny and reflective that is. You can actually see me in the reflection here. These are amazing. Use them on any of the stainless steel. We use them on our dishwasher, our microwave, parts of our stove, on some of our appliances. These wipes are going to save you a lot of time and just make everything look polished, new, and really fresh and clean.